ZeroAvia and Intelligent Energy have partnered to optimize fuel cell technology for airplanes. The HyFlyer project is a plan for the decarbonization of medium-range small passenger aircraft powered by hydrogen fuel cells. The project has been broken down into two sections known as 1 and 2. HyFlyer 1 is a demonstration of powertrain technology that will replace conventional propeller aircraft piston engines. The idea is to replace the conventional aircraft powertrain with hydrogen fuel cells, H2 storage and electric motors. In this way, the project made it possible to use a phased approach to power a Piper M Class 6-seater aircraft with an electric motor with hydrogen and battery power. The aircraft has already successfully undergone its initial test flight out of Cranfield in an AB demonstration flight of 250 to 300 nautical miles. ZeroAvia led the project in developing hydrogen fuel cell powertrain solutions. The Intelligent Energy project partners then optimized the fuel cell tech to apply it to aviation. Green H2 producer EMEC Hydrogen used renewable energy to produce and supply the fuel for the project. The ATI program and a joint government and industry investment supported Phase I of the project in the effort to grow and maintain competitive position of civil aerospace design and manufacture in the United Kingdom. The HyFlyer 2 project is the next phase that will involve the first certifiable hydrogen electric powertrain. In the second phase of the project, ZeroAvia is developing the first certifiable hydrogen electric powertrain that can be used in aircraft carrying as many as 19 passengers. This expands on the first phase, in which the first commercial-grade hydrogen electric aircraft flew in Cranfield. Part 2 will use a smaller version of the ZeroAvia hydrogen fuel cell powertrain. In this case, it will be built into a 6-seater Piper Malibu M350. Its conclusion next year will involve the first hydrogen electric flight in the world of a 19-seat aircraft traveling 350 miles. The green hydrogen fueling system used to fuel the aircraft for HyFlyer 2 flight testing will be delivered by EMEC. This will involve the use of a mobile fueling platform appropriate for an airport environment. Leading power-dense and efficient air compressor solution developer Aristec will be collaborating with ZeroAvia on the integration of an advanced air compressor system as a component of the powertrain for the 19-seater plane. Thank you for following Hydrogen Fuel News. Make sure to hit subscribe and click the link within the description to get our free ebook.